Christmas is getting closer and gift giving is on our minds. So let's make that as easy as possible this year. Here are my favorite ways to simplify Christmas present giving. The first idea is to give a signature gift a bottle of wine, some movie tickets, a good book. You can order in bulk and give everyone the same thing. You will become known for your signature gift each year, and people will look forward to it. Next idea is to give consumables a tin of cookies, a box of chocolates, a hamper, wine, gingerbread cookies. Consumables are a simple and sweet gift to give that shows somebody that you thought of them, but it doesn't add pressure on you to buy the perfect gift. And consumable gifts mean no after Christmas clutter for your gift recipient. The next idea is to give experiences. It's another great option for giving a gift without adding clutter. So you can gift a movie voucher or a ticket to a show, a gift card for a bowling or ice skating, a restaurant voucher for your local day spa. The next idea is to set your budget and stick to it. And don't feel bad about having a budget. Lots of people stress about money at Christmas time, and there's no pleasure in gift giving or receiving when you get into debt to do it. So just tell people that you're on a budget this year. And not only will most people be fine with it, they'll probably feel relieved because they might be feeling the same way as you and feeling guilty. The next idea is to say no thank you to Secret Santa or Kris Kringle gifts. These are usually cheap, bad quality items that nobody wants. How many of us really need another Christmas mug or a t-shirt or something that's going to clutter up our desk at work? And we don't need to add more to a Christmas shopping list and just give ourselves some more to-dos. If you want to celebrate at work or school or wherever you're at, then bring a big box of chocolates for people to share or some cookies for people to share. And that way you're not wasting money on things that nobody wants or needs, but you're still doing a little giving. The next idea is to stick to the foundation of four with gifts for kids. Something they want, something they need, something to wear, something to read. Yes, it's a bit of a cliche, but it's a cliche because everyone does it because it works. I hope you found these ideas helpful. And if you're ready for next steps in simplifying Christmas, you might want to check out my Make Christmas Easy planner. It's a simple set of prints that help you get organized for Christmas without stress or overwhelm, so you can relax and enjoy the holiday season too. I'll leave a link in the description for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.